Hey Ron, this is John. What do you do it? I'm your host tomorrow night on the F3DPCH channel. It's October 19th at 10 p.m. where we're going to be talking about the state of cosplay and how 3D printing is playing an awesome role in helping makers create awesome props, armor, costumes. So we're going to have guest hosts on our panel. Daryl Maloney, aka The Broken Nerd, Clayton Parker, aka Uncle Jesse, and David Randolph. I hope to see you there tomorrow night. And as a bonus, if we have time, we're going to talk about my trip to VidSummit, where I was a volunteer and I saw some awesome speakers and got to network with some awesome people. Just amazing event. So again, October 19th, 10 p.m. Eastern Time, F3DPCH channel. I hope to see you there.
In the world of 3D printing, Daryl Maloney is a god among men. Tonight, he'll be on F3DPCH talking about prop making and how 3D printing is helping in those efforts.